New Google Gemini update is awesome because Google did something wild and killed copy paste forever. Yes, you heard me right. No more copy pasting and frustration over messy format. Today I'm going to show you the new Gemini update which turns a single prompt into a full done file in minutes. It's fast, it's free, and it's simply crazy. Stick with me because what I will show you will change the way you work on Gemini forever. So here is what happened. Google rolled out new updates for Gemini, and this update is huge. So please drop everything and pay attention because now when you chat with Gemini, you are not getting just words on the screen, you are now getting ready to use files. You have to just download the files and your job is finished. So you must be thinking what kind of files I'm talking about. The list is exhaustive and it includes Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, PDFs, Word file, Excel files, CSV, plain text files. So basically all kind of files which we are using in our day-to-day life. Hi everybody, I am Avinash and I bring in regular updates from the AI world. So let's see a few use cases of latest Gemini updates. So let's start with our first use case. Suppose you are a project manager and you are looking to build a project tracker. So you can give this simple prompt where I say, build me a project tracker in an Excel sheet whose column header contains name of task, deadline, status, and owner's name. And I also mentioned that put 10 dummy data in it. So I will just click on the submit button and let's see. We will wait for a few seconds and see after a few seconds it has given me the project tracker. I will just try to open this one. Now we will move to our next use case. Suppose you are a manager in HR department and you want to make an attendance tracker. In ideal case, you will go to the Excel file and you will make the tracker. But instead of this, we will give a prompt. So here is my prompt. So what I'm saying is build me an attendance sheet for the employees of my company for the last month. The sheet header should contain date, employee ID, name, punch in and punch out time based on which the employee should mark be present or absent. I also want to calculate the number of days an employee has worked. I also want the data in the Google Sheet format. Let's see what it does. We'll wait for a few seconds. So after a few seconds, it has created the required Google Sheet. So let's open the sheet. So if you see here, it has created the database of dummy employees and it has also created the formula to calculate whether the employee was present or absent. But in this case, it looks that the formula is wrong. But we can again give the prompt and we can update the formula. So in this way, it took us very less time to create a new dashboard. Or now we will move to our next use case. In this case, the same HR manager want to make a PDF for the dress and attendance policy of the company. So I have given this prompt and let's see how much time it takes. So after a few seconds, it has given me a PDF which consists of dress and attendance policy for the company. Let's open this file. So if you see here, it has given me a very beautiful PDF. In case the manager wants the document to be in editable format so that he can make some changes, he can simply give a prompt saying that give me the PDF file in an editable format and just press enter. So after a few seconds, the Gemini has given me the file in an editable format. We can just download the file. For now, we'll just open the file. So it is in editable format and we can change whatever policy we want. In our last use case, we will take an example of a teacher. So here in our case, it's a math teacher. So he has given the prompt. I'm a math teacher of class 9th and provide me with the notes for trigonometry class. So after giving the prompt, we will just press the submit button and we'll wait for a few seconds to see the result. I have got the result, but it's in a text format and there are some sheets which has Gemini has given. So what I can do is What I can do is I can just give a prompt saying that provide the file in a PDF format, and I will just press the submit button. So now what you will do, the entire notes thing it will prepare in a PDF file. So here we go. The Gemini has provided me the file in a PDF format. So now I can pass on these notes to my students so that they can learn. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.